Hello everyone, Tom's Bully here, back for another video, and today we're doing another Mystery Japan unboxing. Today it's only one small package, but it's a very special one, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Definitely an item that I've been wanting for a long time. It took 7 months, not 7 months, it took about a month to get here, thanks to the great quarantine of 2020. But should be well worth the wait, eh? So it's more than I expected. The ever rare, ever fancy, ever I've been searching for this well since 2014 actually. Doraemon English record. I'll definitely post a bit of a thing of it doing its run later on. But there's the record. Very clean. Not gonna take it out of my carpet, which is filthy right now. But I'll take a look at the book. Or pamphlet, or whatever you want to call it. Has the infamous English drawing song and the English envelope, which they didn't even bother to write in English for us, so I guess we'll never know what they're saying. Oh, no one's right here. Now the package came in today. Let's open this and throw it in the video too, just for the sake of it. This one's from an entirely different company, but should be good nonetheless. Oh, anime posters, cool. Da-da-da! BNA art book. If you haven't watched this show, I highly recommend it. New episode's coming out. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.